Hello. Jambo. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili all night in Swahili. We haven't been able to record in a minute, but we are back. We hope everybody is doing well. Today we are gonna do two videos, one for posting today, the other one for maybe tomorrow. The first one we are gonna be recording stuff. All right, can you read for me what this says?
Katika ofisi ya nyumbani ambayo mama na baba hufanya biashara.
Okay, which means what?
In the home office where mom and dad do business.
Okay, so katika ofisi ya nyumbani ambayo mama na baba hufanya biashara. That means in the home office where mom and dad do business. Clearly you can see there's a bed behind me. This is just, a home office. So let's cover some of the stuff that you might see in a home office. Fresh pros, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Fresh kids at home, are you ready? So at your house, it might not necessarily be in a home office. It could be another room that's just a specific.
I thought you said there was a bed, but there's no bed.
No, I'm saying like this home office. There's even a bed right behind me because it's a home office. There's no home office in the book. All right, guys. Fresh kids at home, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome. Fresh bros, are you ready?
Yeah.
We even forgot to say this is who.
Right.
And fresh mommy. All right, let's get started. All right, first thing we are going to cover is
I thought that was your job.
What?
To tell us to say hello.
That's true. That's what I'm saying. I forgot. Nilisahau. Oh, read this sentence for me. Or this phrase.
VITU via office.
Which means?
Office things.
And that was VITU via office things. So the first thing we are going to cover is a computer. What is a computer?
Computer.
Show me a computer.
I can't reach.
All right.
Oh, I can reach.
Next thing is dawati. Dawati is a desk. Nionyesha dawati.
This thing.
Beautiful. Next thing we are going to cover is a kitabu. Show me a kitabu, please. What is a kitabu?
Book. Oopsie daisy.
Kitabu is a book. Next thing we are going to cover is a karatasi. Karatasi.
No,
What is a karatasi?
paper.
Careful from paper cut. All right. Next thing we are going to cover is a kalamu. Show me a kalamu tafadhali. Vizuri, good job. Next thing we are going to cover is gazeti. Gazeti is a newspaper. We don't even know newspapers anymore, but that's a gazeti. Gazeti is a newspaper. Next thing we are going to cover is a simu. Simu is what?
Phone.
A phone. Fresh bro, show me the office. Simu ya office. Right here. Right?
Yeah.
That's a
Office phone.
what is it called?
Office.
Simu.
Yeah,
What is it?
Simu.
Simu. Good job. Now, do we have a calculator? Simu yangu iko wapi means what?
Where's my phone?
Where is my phone? Good job. Iko wapi?
Your phone. He don't have it. We're recording with it.
Awesome. All right. Do we have you guys ever seen a calculator?
Yeah, in my head.
Huh?
I've never seen a calculator.
Okay, so a calculator is called a kikokotozi. Kikokotozi. I think there's a calculator right here. Right? Isn't there a calculator right here?
Yes, there's a calculator.
Right, and there's a calculator right here. There's calculators everywhere. That's why we don't need
where's the calculator?
on the computer.
We don't need those.
That's why we don't need the kikokotozi anymore. Show me a pencil. Beautiful, good job. That's a pencil. Now let me see if you remember what we just covered. All right. No, actually, I want to add a few more office things over here. We have a letter. A letter is a barua.
Mail, basically.
Right, like the letter inside. So whatever is inside, take it out.
Wait,
those I've written this. They are at the back of the book. So what is a letter? Barua. All right. What is inside? The letter is inside a bahasha. Bahasha is
Envelope.
Envelope. Good job. And on the envelope there is a stamp. A stamp is called muhuri. Muhuri. Muhuri, okay? So a stamp is a muhuri. Then in the office you might have scissors, and I think Fresh Bro 8 was using them. Where those
Turn around. Okay.
maybe do it the other way. Alright, so those are scissors. What are scissors in Swahili? Makasi. Say makasi.
Makasi.
Makasi. Good job. And then we have makamasi is definitely not scissors. What is makamasi?
Disgusting something.
The bad. So the next thing is an eraser. An eraser is a kifutio. Say kifutio.
Kifutio.
So those are some of the things you might see in the office. So let me ask you, what is a computer? Computer. What's dawati?
Desk.
Good job. What is kitabu?
Book.
Good job. Karatasi? Paper. Beautiful. Kalamu? Pen. Good job. Gazeti? Newspaper. Simu?
Phone.
Nice. Kikokotozi?
Calculator.
Beautiful. Penseli?
Pencil.
Awesome. What's a barua? Letter. Good job. What's an bahasha? Envelope. What is a muhuri? Stamp. Beautiful. What is makasi? Scissors. Beautiful. What is a kifutio?
I have no idea. Eraser.
Very nice. Let's do that one more time now. I'm gonna say them in English. You're gonna try to do them in Swahili. Okay?
Hey.
So let's start with the hard ones. What's a kifutio? No, I'm saying it in eraser. So I'm saying it
Kifutio. Yeah, I know that.
All right. What is eraser? Kifutio. What is scissors? Makasi. Beautiful. What is a stamp?
I have no idea.
Muhuri. Beautiful. What is an envelope? Bahasha. Good job. What is a letter? Barua. You guys are too funny. All right, let's try that one more time. What is an eraser? Kifu. Oh, we are missing Fresh Bro 11. What is a eraser again?
Makasi. No.
Kifu.
Kifutayari.
Kifutio.
I'm not.
What is scissors?
Kifutio.
No. Okay, eraser is kifutio. Scissors?
Makasi. That's mine. Come all over.
Alright, stay in the video for me, please. We can see the dance. Okay, so what is stamp?
Stampede.
Muhuri. Good job. What is envelope? Bahasha. Okay, and then letter is barua.
I got it. Yeah. You love
Very nice. Good job. All right, now let's try the others. What's a computer?
Computer.
What's a desk?
Dawati.
Dawati.
That's what I said.
Yeah,
he said that.
Right. And what is a book? Kitabu. What is a paper?
Karatasi.
Karatasi. What is a pen?
Kalamu.
Good job. What is a newspaper? Gazette. Good job. What's a paper?
Huh?
What's a paper? Karatasi.
You already said that.
What is a phone? I was just checking. What is a calculator? Kikokotozi. And what is a pencil?
Pencil.
Good job. Awesome. So we'll go and record another one.
You're on
See you next time. Asante. Say kwaheri.
Yeah, kwaheri. Makosi.
What's makosi?
Eraser.
Huh?